Okay, so this problem that we have here is from CPM, Course 1, Chapter 4. It's problem number 7 from Chapter 4, and it's about writing variable expressions. So our friend Croaky now has a new routine that is 59 feet long. So from start to finish, 59 feet. Keep this distance in mind as you complete parts A and B below. So in his new routine, Croaky makes 7 super jumps, which I've gone ahead and I've drawn this. I didn't ask you to, but I felt like it would be nice. So 7 super jumps, all the same length, and we're not sure what it is, so I wanted to use a variable that it's unknown. So I used x. It tells us to use x down below. I looked ahead. So all the same length. So 7 super jumps, all the same length, all going to the right, and then hops 3 feet. So that's my 3 feet hop there. How long is each super jump? So I know that 7 super jumps in a row plus a jump of 3 will get me a total from end to end. Let's make that a little nicer. From end to end of 59 feet. Wow, good job, Croaky. That is crazy. What I also know is that this distance here, I'm going to break this up further. And I know that this distance from here to here is 3. So I want to know, well, what is this other distance here from beginning, just the super jump part? That's what we're really interested in. We're interested in how long are the super jumps. So from the beginning of the first one to the end of the 7th, well, in total that's 59 feet. We already have 3 feet here. So the super jumps must be 56 feet altogether. And now this becomes, well, what is each one of these jumps? Well, if we take 56 feet and we divide it into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 equal parts, well, what is 56 divided by 7? And that gets us 8 feet per super jump. Nice. So that's that part. So 7 times 8 is 56, plus our 3 feet is Croaky's routine, is 59 feet. So it says down below, it says if x represents the length of 1 super jump, right, like we've got there, so that's 1 super jump, and 2x represents the length of 2 super jumps, write an expression that represents Croaky's routine. So if I wrote it all out, right, which you can do, we've got x plus x, that's 3 of them, 4 x's, 5 x's, 6 x's, 7 x's, plus 3. That's one way to represent this expression. And they're saying, well, there's such a more simple way of writing something rather than repeat addition all the time, and that's with multiplication. And that's with, we have how many x's? Well, we have 8 of the x's plus 3. And you really aren't going to see, when you're writing variables, just like they have 2 x's, you really don't see the multiplication. It's what's called implied multiplication, that you really just see it as 8x, as 8 x's, but you would be multiplying. So we would do 8 times 7 to get 56 feet plus the 3. So that was that problem.